My granddaughter got this Runway fashion designer book for Christmas. Let her tell you about it. She's off camera. So we have, what are these? These are swatches?
They're kind of like
pictures of fabric that you could use. Are they stickers?
Yes.
They're stickers. They're fabric stickers. This is different accessories that you can put on the designs. Then
Some
next,
stencils.
these are stencils for drawing your designs. Have you been using those? You've only had this like a day, and you've been really using this. It says who it's styled by, who it belongs to, and so this is like, what is that? Some inspo. So some inspiration. These are your instructions. And then, have you designed these? Are these?
I designed that.
You designed that. She's 9 and she's loving this little designer book. And so you would put your swatches there, right?
Yes.
So you can put, so you put ocean there?
That's the name.
That's the name. And then you put your date and the season. So this is spring, what collection it would be. And then you've got a place for notes right down there. At the end of 4 different groups, you get to design your own without the people in it. So even after just one day, she is really loving this. I would recommend this. I would recommend this for any child who's interested in fashion, like ages 8 and up. It says she's 9, but she's really loving this. So check it out for yourself.